What is up, everyone? This is MoTutorials here, and today I'm going to show you the not all RAM usable error that you may be getting on your Windows device. So let's get right into this. So if you know what your RAM is, like 8 gig, 16, 32, etc., like you know what it is, you've looked into this PC, or you just know what it is because the way you bought the computer, obviously you got the information. But for some reason your Windows device says, like, let's say you have 8, but it says only 4 is being used in this PC or wherever else, right? I'm going to show you what to do to fix that. So all you need to do is go to your search bar and type in msconfig until you see this basically pop up. In here, you're going to click into where it says boot, and then you're going to click into where it says advanced options. In here, you're going to see maximum memory is turned off for you. You want to basically click into it, and you can see for mine, it automatically enabled this, and you can see, or pre-filled this, but this is where you're going to put in what it actually is. Let's say it was only, yours is 32 gigs, but it's at 1024, which is 1 gig. You want to do the math yourself, basically do the 1024 times 32, I believe it will come to that number. You basically put that in, and then you press OK, and then go from there. You want to put in whatever your RAM amount is. Once you do that, restart your computer. You should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please smash it up on the channel. Make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. MoTutorials out. Peace.